Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Enchanted Mood and this is a Sacred Space crate unboxing for April. Came in this white box. And let's check out the theme. This is what it looks like when I open it. And the theme is Moon Child. So I'll save that for last because that contains the spoilers. And then we have our beautiful calendar, as always. And all our information. And on the back it has the zodiac. And then we have this, using the energy of the moon sheet. Could add that list to your book of shadows. And then we have this art print. I know it's hard to see because it's shiny. Let me see. All right, there we go. We got a wolf, a fire, tree, a lake with a boat, a rainbow, to an owl, to the moon. Pretty cool. And then this is what it looks like. It says, may the healing energy of the moon goddess in all her phases inspire us to be reborn to our true nature and highest selves. All right, so now when I open it, this is what it looks like. So right on top, we have this beautiful label. It says Moon Garden Incense Sticks. Really cool label there. That smells good. And then we have these Moon Phases stickers to add to your book of shadows, I'm assuming. And then, two big boxes. I'm gonna start with this guy. Uh-oh. We have a leak somewhere. Uh-oh, I don't wanna know. I don't want nothing to be leaking, but that's what it looks like. We'll see. We'll see. In here we have a beautiful blue bottle with the triple moon charm. And it has a beautiful shell top. Very cool. To me, this is like a similar, like for a sea witch, you know? But I get the blue for the probably moon water, I'm assuming. I'm assuming some moon water. All right, let's see what we got here. Besides that big guy. All right, we have some bubble. My kitty cat's trying to get in here. And if I let her in, she's gonna meow, meow, meow. And then I have to go back in and figure out dinner. New Moon Ritual Oil. New Moon Ritual Oil. Maybe that was what's leaking. And then we have Waxing Moon Ritual Tea. And we have another bubble. This must be our herb. Our herbies. This one is Milk Thistle. And we have those cute little jars. What else we got? Ooh, another bubble item. Oh, and then we got Full Moon Ritual Oil. New and full. That's cute. I like that. This one's got pretty stuff in it. Cool. What else we got? We have this pretty bag with a votive in it. I think it's white. I think it's a white votive. Oh no. Actually, it's a lavender votive. Lavender. And then we got, what's this? We have full moon bath ritual salts. Nice big bag. And I have this pretty sachet with, found the item that fell out. Okay. So in this white pretty bag was a rainbow moonstone worry stone. And then the last item is this box here. And I have a feeling I know what this is. Because the shape of the box. I think I saw this at the store. I think I got something similar in another box. But we'll see. If I can find her. Oh, she's up there. All right, let's see. This says Moon Goddess Statue Candle Holder. So I think it's the goddess with the moon. Yes, it is. It's the same one, I think. Yeah, it is. Oh, that stinks. It's not her fault that I got doubles. I forget what box we got this in. Was it Sugar Muses? No, I don't know. Let me see if I can slice this open here without making a crazy mess. So, yes, it's the beautiful moon tea light holder goddess with the kitties. So I can have one for each side of my altar, so no biggie. And the tea light goes up there, so that's cute. I guess you can do it that way as well. But I definitely would put a metal in there because you don't want this to break. That's cool. So that's what we have. That was in there. What was in here? Oh, that was the votive. All right, let's see what's going on with the paperwork here. All right. So, of course, we got that. The moon enchants us with bright feminine energy. It is Tide Light Tug, and it's promised to cyclical change. For centuries, the moon has been a symbol of the goddess spirits, hanging like an orb above our heads, sometimes a slip of light, other times as fat as a full harvest. The moon child is someone born with a unique spiritual connection to the universe and planetary energy. Moon children are especially sensitive to energy waves, planetary shifts, changes, and lunar cycles. They have a deep soul connection to the moon, planets, and universal energy. Many of us form our practice around the cycles of the moon, with each cycle being valuable to the magic we are creating. My intention while creating this box was to give you items that will enhance your connection to the moon, as well as giving you items that would use in your daily practice. So, Moon Goddess Candle Holder is the first item. This beautiful candle holder will sit nicely on your altar as it represents the phases of the moon and the moon goddess who resides within you. It could represent Selene, the moon goddess, if that's what you're called towards. She holds your votive spell candles for the moon rituals. She is painted purple, and purple represents witch's magic. The cat sits at her feet. Seeing a black cat under the moonlight represents you being protected. The protectiveness of the cat's devotion to those they love, as well as their ability to tune into metaphysical world as they are associated with the spiritual protection. Then it says full moon water bottle. I've been searching for a bottle that would fit nicely on my desk that I can keep my full moon water in. I fell in love with this one, and I added a triple moon charm to represent the divine feminine magic of the moon. The top is a seashell to represent the element of water. Fill your bottle with purified water. I get mine from my teapot that has been cooled to room temperature and then set out in the moonlight during the full moon. Let your water charge overnight and collect it in the early morning. Your water is now charged with the divine power of the full moon and her energy. I like it. The lavender votive candle. So you can carve your moon intentions into it and burn it on top of your moon goddess candle holder. Okay, and then the full moon ritual oil. Powerful magical time of the month that affects nature and the tides and even your bodies. You can use this for love spells, self-love spells, creating charms, anointing, dressing candles, anointing yourself, crystals, sacred tools, altar. It's made with the essential oils of lilac and then infused with vanilla bean, adorned with crystals and full moon flowers, jasmine and chrysanthemum and rosebud. Chrysanthemum, I don't know which way I'm saying. Then we got the new moon ritual oil. This is to cleanse and start something new. This is crafted oil that has been infused with California white sage for 3 moon cycles. There are no essential oils added to this oil. It is natural fragrance, comes strictly from the white sage. Ow, my legs. I can't feel my legs. Okay, then the full moon ritual salts. A moon bath ritual is a beautiful way to honor the lunar cycle, relax, and take care of yourself. You can enjoy a bath on the full moon, new moon, or any other moon phases. Mama Moon rules the oceans and the tides, which means she has a special connection to water. Then the moon garden incense. They were created to bring in the beauty of the moon. Garden with hyacinth and carnation and subtle notes of sage, parsley, and thyme. I always include 7 incense sticks because 7 is a number of luck. Waxing moon ritual tea. The waxing moon is the opposite of the waning moon of the moon. Waning phase of the moon. It begins after the new moon and lasts until the full moon. Waxing moon energy is noted as overt, outward, and expanding. It wants you to spring forth and finish what needs to be done in order to make your dreams a reality. It is black tea, apricot, marigold petals, and fruit flavor. Contains caffeine. The moon phases stickers. She just included because she thought they were fun. Maybe you can decorate your water bottle, or you can put it in your book of shadows. Then milk thistle seeds is one of the moon flowers and is found in the moon garden because of it's a lunar herb. By nature, lunar herbs are cool and moist. They represent the feminine and yin aspects of the universe and may be worked with in polarity. It was in polarity. Sorry, tough word for me to spit out. Where was I now? I'm lost. Oh. Also used for healing spells and magical workings, especially those relieving depressions and driving away melancholy. Then we get the pink moon painting print, which is this here. It's a beautiful painting by our beautiful, talented artist, Samantha Trick. It is painted on a thin cotton paper so that you can use it in a more versatile ways, like in your book of shadows or in a frame or hang it over your altar. Find the magic in the pink moon carrying an owl and a magic enchanting, as I wanted to share this with you. And then, of course, the calendar. and the sheet of Winter Phases. So I think this is a pretty cool box. Even though I have this, I can always use two. So I absolutely like the oils. I like that. I like the water bottle. I think this is a pretty cool box. Yeah, I think it's pretty good. Let me know, guys, what you think. Next month is going to be the element of air. Okay, and that's Sacred Space Crate. I'll leave the information about this box in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. Have a blessed day.